Hello and welcome to my new channel. Over the course of the next year or so, you'll be able to follow me as I delve into the world of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. So what's going to make this channel different to all of the other channels that are already out there and distinguished are the following questions. Firstly, can you make any profit with low investments? I'm only looking to invest £50 to £100 a month, as that's how much I'm comfortable with possibly losing in the future. Next, do you need to have trading experience to be successful? We'll find out. We'll be watching videos from established traders, people who know what they're talking about. I'll learn from them and from my own mistakes, of course. Next, NFTs, is there any future in them? Well, that's the golden question at the moment, because that is all everybody's talking about at the moment. And to be honest, it's what got me interested again in cryptocurrency. They look pretty interesting. I think there is a long-term possibility for those, but at the moment it's a very large bubble, but we'll see how it goes. And the most important question of all, can investing in crypto be fun? Well, I hope so, because at the end of the day, if you don't enjoy what you're doing, it's just another job. So, onto my criteria. First things I'll be looking at will be infant or emerging projects. I'm looking to get into about up to 3 of those so that I can get in at ground level, cheapest as possible. These could possibly give some of the best rewards, but long term, and will take the most research. All of the investments that I'll be making will be mid to long term. I'm not looking for any high risk, high reward returns. They will all be 1 year plus. And lastly, everything will be low initial investment costs. I don't have $1,000, $10,000 or pounds to put into single investments. Possibly over the next couple of years, a couple of thousand in total. But the actual idea of this project is to see if you can invest and make any money long term with small investments. So the key things I'll be researching with any crypto that piques my interest will be whether the current technology holds any limitations to the crypto's growth. I'll go more into this on another video. The next is future upgrades that are already planned or in motion that may affect a certain currency. The next is the likelihood of the currency going mainstream, as in available from ATMs, or you can use things like PayPal or in shops to purchase hard goods. Then there's industry uptake, as in large corporations, Amazon, Microsoft, any of the big companies showing interest in it and integrating it into their systems. And lastly, there's the scalability of the currency, whether there are limitations of any of the above or any other reason that may limit the scalability and the growth of the particular currency. So the roadmap for my channel is, first video is this one, which is an introduction to the channel and what it's about. Second one, which will be coming along shortly, is going to be what my initial investments have been, as I've already made a couple of small investments which got me building these videos in the first place. So I'll go through those, why I got them, how much I invested, and I'll start making a chart with those. The next video will be planned investments, things that I've been looking at over the last few weeks or during the next few weeks, and just let you know what those are going to be. Then after that, going forward, it will be a weekly research overview and news videos, just looking at what's been going on with the markets, anything I've found that's interesting, if any of the research that I've done previously has panned out, and anything that I've found that looks interesting coming up. The monthly investment review will be a video dedicated to exactly what's happened with the investments that I've done up until the end of that month. and then there'll be an annual progress review and a plan for the next year. So that's the channel. My name's Carl, and I hope you'll be joining me over the next year or more for my journey.